SmartCap Kitchen-Bin is a revolutionary storage solution designed specifically for pickup truck owners who love outdoor adventures. This smart, modular bin fits seamlessly into your truck bed and transforms it into a portable kitchen. It features organized compartments for utensils, cooking supplies, and food storage, making it incredibly convenient for camping, road trips, and tailgating. Built with durable, weather-resistant materials, the SmartCap Kitchen-Bin ensures that everything stays secure and protected, no matter the terrain. Its clever design allows for easy access and efficient use of space, while its sleek look complements any truck setup. Whether you're preparing a quick meal in the wilderness or hosting an impromptu picnic, the SmartCap Kitchen-Bin turns your vehicle into a fully functional mobile kitchen. Introducing the first patented, adjustable divider system meticulously engineered for your pickup truck bed. This isn't just another makeshift solution, it's a functional, innovative, and practical system designed to respect your truck and the valuable cargo you carry. Finally, you can say goodbye to items sliding around and the chaos of an unorganized truck bed. This adjustable divider empowers you to create customized compartments, ensuring that everything from groceries to tools stays securely in place. Its patented design signifies a unique approach, offering a level of adjustability and stability that sets it apart from generic options. Embrace the peace of mind that comes with a truly organized and protected truck bed, respect your truck, and experience the difference. Today, let's check out an exciting new release from ARB, the leading name in 4x4 accessories. They've introduced the HardLid, a rugged and stylish truck bed cover that's built to impress. Crafted from 3mm thick aluminum, this lid is tough enough to handle a dynamic load of up to 150 kilograms. Whether you're hauling spare parts, water containers, or even setting up a rooftop tent for camping adventures, this lid has you covered. Thanks to a smart hinge design, the HardLid easily slides up and back, making it simple for two people to remove when needed. It's also compatible with vehicles fitted with roll bars, leaving enough clearance for a perfect fit. Starting at $2,750, the ARB HardLid delivers strength, functionality, and versatility, all in one sleek package. Bring your campsite with you on the road. Featuring an ultralight, geodesic airframe design, the Cybertruck CyberTent can be inflated in minutes using a manual pump without the need for any structural pulls. A tactical gray kaleidoscope patterned nylon interior keeps you safe from the elements, while screen windows allow for airflow to keep you comfortable. Relax on an ultrasoft mattress while taking in a view of the stars. Use the truck bed's outlet to keep your devices charged even while you're off-grid. A weather-resistant outer shell with an extendable awning offers added protection. The fully collapsible, self-contained pack is mounted above the truck bed but below the tonneau cover, conserving bed storage space and range while on the road. Engage tent mode on your vehicle's touchscreen for an enhanced camping experience. Busy Dumper offers a smart and efficient solution for handling heavy loads with minimal effort. Engineered for durability and practicality, this system transforms your truck into a versatile workhorse capable of dumping materials like gravel, soil, and debris with ease. Its hydraulic lift mechanism ensures smooth, controlled unloading, saving time and reducing physical strain. Compact yet powerful, Busy Dumper fits seamlessly onto standard truck beds without sacrificing cargo space or stability. Built for hard-working environments, it holds up against daily demands and challenging conditions. Whether you're managing a construction site, landscaping project, or farm duties, Busy Dumper boosts productivity and simplifies tough jobs, allowing you to get more done with less hassle. The tailgate step adapter bracket is a practical upgrade for pickup truck owners who want easier and safer access to their truck beds. Designed with a heavy-duty structure, this adapter bracket reinforces and stabilizes tailgate steps, allowing them to support greater weight, often up to 400 pounds or more. Built from high-strength, corrosion-resistant steel, it ensures long-lasting performance even under tough conditions. The bracket is engineered for a straightforward installation, fitting seamlessly onto existing tailgate steps without the need for complicated modifications. Ideal for workers carrying heavy gear or outdoor enthusiasts hauling bulky equipment, the tailgate step adapter bracket provides extra confidence and safety when climbing in and out of the truck. After enjoying some time off in the great outdoors with J-Tech Highway Safety, it's time to get back to business. For many, that means hitting the roads, and with over 95,000 kilometers of highways across the U.S., enough to circle the globe twice, there's plenty of work to be done. Unfortunately, working on the roads also comes with risks, and accidents involving road crews are far too common. To make things safer, J-Tech has developed a clever system that allows a single person to set up and remove traffic cones right from their vehicle. Thanks to special jacks, the system's height can be adjusted between two positions. The standard model can handle up to 159 kilograms, while the hydraulic version boosts that capacity to 227 kilograms. Traveling with pets has never been easier thanks to the Collapsible Dog Crate. Crafted for adventurers who bring their dogs along for the ride, this crate combines rugged durability with lightweight portability. It folds down in seconds to save valuable truck bed or cabin space, making it a perfect companion for road trips, camping, and everyday outings. Ventilated mesh sides keep your dog cool and comfortable, while the sturdy frame holds up against bumps and rough rides. Water-resistant materials and washable liners add to its practicality, ensuring it stays clean and fresh after any muddy adventure. With quick setup, reliable protection, and a cozy interior, the Collapsible Dog Crate transforms any journey into a stress-free experience for both you and your four-legged friend. The Tufport Overlander is a lightweight and durable slide-in truck camper designed for overlanding adventures. Constructed from a one-piece composite fiberglass, it boasts a robust, leak-proof, and aerodynamic design that minimizes wind resistance and impact on fuel economy. It's available in 3 distinct interior layouts: coast-to-coast, sea-to-sky, and ultralight, catering to different needs, from couples retreats to more minimalist setups. These layouts often include features like convertible seating beds, galleys with sinks, storage solutions, and options for fridges and portable toilets. With standard or 22 insulation and optional heaters, it aims to provide comfort in various weather conditions, making it a versatile base camp for exploring the outdoors. Its starting price around $24,500 US. C5 Manufacturing Rancher Bale Bed delivers unmatched performance for hardworking ranchers who need reliable equipment every day. Designed for maximum strength and efficiency, this bale bed features powerful hydraulic arms that make loading, unloading, and stacking hay bales simple and fast. Built to handle heavy-duty tasks in tough environments, it stands strong against daily wear and weather challenges. The flatbed layout adds versatility, allowing you to haul fencing supplies, feed, and other essential gear along with your bales. Easy-to-use controls, durable construction, and smooth operation make it a trusted partner on any ranch. Whether you're managing a herd or tackling big projects, C5 Manufacturing Rancher Bale Bed keeps your work moving forward with power, precision, and rugged reliability. The ROELLI X-Rack is a Swiss-made, modular, hydraulic system designed to transform single-cab midsize pickups like the Isuzu D-Max, Toyota Hilux, and Ford Ranger into versatile multi-talented vehicles, particularly for emergency services. Its key feature is the ability for a single person to effortlessly load and unload various modules, such as containers, pallet grippers, and platforms, without additional aids, thanks to a radio-controlled hydraulic system. This system boasts automatic load securing at the touch of a button and offers up to 1.2 tons of lifting capacity with a payload of up to 1,150 kilograms, depending on the base vehicle. The X-Rack system enhances the practicality of pickups by overcoming the challenges of cumbersome loading and unloading typically associated with their high loading ramps, making them quicker and more adaptable for diverse tasks in police, fire department, civil protection, and ambulance services. The Bruno Outrider exterior scooter and wheelchair hoist lift is designed to make it easy and convenient for people with mobility challenges to transport their scooter or power wheelchair. Designed specifically for pickup trucks, the Bruno Outrider safely lifts your mobility device up to 350 pounds with the push of a button. With a handheld wireless remote, you can effortlessly raise or lower your scooter into your vehicle for safe and hassle-free transportation. The lift also includes a securement arm and safety toggle switch to help secure your mobility device and a retractable safety belt for additional security. With its durable construction, the Outrider is a reliable solution for transporting your mobility scooter. RoverKing redefines mobile adventure by offering a compact, rugged camping solution designed for explorers who crave freedom. Engineered with durable materials and thoughtful craftsmanship, this modular unit transforms pickup trucks into comfortable living spaces within minutes. Lightweight yet robust, RoverKing provides a cozy sleeping area, organized storage, and essential camping features without overwhelming your vehicle's capacity. Weather-resistant finishes ensure it stands strong against harsh outdoor elements, from rainstorms to dusty trails. Quick to set up and easy to dismantle, it allows travelers to chase adventure without limits. Whether heading into the mountains, forests, or open plains, RoverKing turns every journey into a comfortable and memorable escape. The Dee Zee Storage Drawer is a robust and practical solution designed to maximize storage space in your truck, particularly under the rear seats of full-size crew cab models. Constructed from heavy-duty steel with a textured black powder coat finish, these drawers offer secure, lockable storage for tools, gear, and other valuables. A full-width design allows for easy access from either the driver or passenger side, and many models include dividers and a molded rubber mat to help organize contents and prevent shifting during transit. Installation is often straightforward, utilizing existing mounting points to avoid the need for drilling. Whether you need to secure equipment for work or keep your recreational gear organized, a Dee Zee Storage Drawer provides a durable and convenient storage solution for your truck. Turning your pickup into a powerful dumping machine, DumperDogg is built for heavy-duty work and serious convenience. Crafted from high-strength steel or polymer, it easily installs into the truck bed and allows you to unload gravel, mulch, dirt, or debris with the push of a button. Designed to handle up to 6,000 pounds of material, it saves time and reduces physical strain on big jobs. An integrated tethered control makes operation simple and safe, while the corrosion-resistant build ensures long-lasting performance in tough environments. Ideal for landscapers, contractors, farmers, and property owners, DumperDogg transforms any standard pickup into a versatile workhorse. Kodiak Canvas Truck Tent turns your pickup into a rugged, all-weather camping base ready for any adventure. Built from tough, weather-resistant steel, its frame ensures maximum stability even in strong winds and harsh conditions. The tent body is crafted from HydroShield 100% cotton duck canvas, which is durable, breathable, and highly water-resistant. Large D-shaped doors, gear pockets, and ventilation windows make the interior comfortable and functional for extended stays. Easy to set up with clamp-on rails that secure to your truck bed, it offers a quick and sturdy shelter wherever you roam. Designed for serious outdoor enthusiasts, this tent fits a variety of full-size trucks and provides superior protection against rain, snow, and heavy winds. Managing trash cans on garbage day becomes effortless with the Garbage Commander hook, a simple yet powerful solution for pickup trucks and ATVs. Built from heavy-duty steel with a weather-resistant coating, it securely attaches to standard hitches and easily hauls 1 or 2 garbage bins without tipping or dragging. Designed to handle heavy loads and rough terrain, it keeps bins upright and stable even on bumpy rural roads. Quick installation means no complicated tools are needed, just hook, latch, and go. Ideal for homeowners with long driveways, farms, or rural properties, Garbage Commander Hook saves time, prevents injuries, and makes hauling waste much more efficient.